Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to clear all cache in Windows 11 so you can free up space and give your system a small speed boost. This uses the latest Windows 11 settings. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click System. Click Storage. Click Temporary Files. Check the boxes for items you want to remove. Make sure Downloads is unchecked unless you want those files deleted. Click Remove Files. Now press Windows key plus R. Type %temp% and press Enter. Select all files in the folder. Right-click and click Delete. Skip any files that are in use. Press Windows key plus R again. Type temp and press Enter. Delete the files inside that folder as well. Now press Windows key plus R one more time. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter. This clears Microsoft Store cache automatically. Restart your computer after finishing all steps. Your Windows 11 cache is now cleared, and your system should feel more responsive. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.